Look at me, I'm the seventh letter. Can't you see? Big G, small g. Fun and bright, let's learn the letter G tonight.
G is for giraffe, tall and high. G is for goat, jumping nearby. G is for gift, just for you. Letter G is fun and new.
Right, big G, make a curve. Add a line, you did superb. Right, small g, down and around. Practice G, hear the sound.
G is for